Please subscribe and click the hype and like button to get more content like this. Before we start, a quick disclaimer. Everything demonstrated in this video is strictly for educational purposes. To show you how to protect yourself, all demonstrations are performed in a controlled lab environment on our own testing devices. We never target real users, and using this knowledge to gain unauthorized access to actual people or systems is strictly illegal and unethical. In this demonstration, we'll explore the use of the dig command and slookup for DNS analysis. Let's start with the dig command. Dig, which stands for Domain Information Grouper, is a powerful and flexible tool used to query DNS name servers. It performs DNS lookups and displays the answers returned from the queried name servers in a clear, detailed format. Now let's see how to use the dig command for DNS server interrogation in Kali Linux. First, open your terminal. Then, type the following command. DNS google.com. Here, google.com is the domain we are querying. Press enter. After running the command, you'll see the output from dig. At the top, you will notice the version. Dig 9.20.44 Debian. nsgoogle.com is the CNAME. In the answer section, you'll find the name servers listed for google.com. ns4.google.com, ns2.google.com, ns1.google.com, ns3.google.com. In the additional section, you'll also see IP addresses for these name servers. For example, ns2.google.com resolves to 216.239.34.10. This is how you can use the dig command to query and gather DNS server information for a domain. Now let's see how to use the nslookup command. To begin, go to the search bar on your taskbar. Type CMD. Right-click on Command Prompt and select Run as Administrator. This will open the command line interface with the necessary admin permissions. Once you are in the terminal, you are ready to use the nslookup tool to gather DNS information. Now, let's begin by typing the following command. nslookup. Press enter. This will show you your default DNS server and its IP address. In our case, the default server is geofiber.local.html, an IP address. Next, let's change the type of DNS query to retrieve SOA, start of authority, records. Set query type equals to SOA and press enter. Now, let's query a domain. Type google.com. Press enter again. Here we receive a non-authoritative answer, which means the data is retrieved from a cache, not directly from the primary DNS server. In the output, we can see primary name server is ns1.google.com. Responsible mail address is dns-admin.google.com. Refresh time is 900 seconds. Retry time is 900 seconds. Expire time is 1800 seconds. Default TTL is 60 seconds. Now you can also use another command, ls-d google.com. This command attempts to list all DNS records for the domain google.com through a process called a zone transfer. However, as you can see in the output, we get the message. Cannot list domain google.com : query refused. This happens because the DNS server has refused to transfer the zone to your system. This is completely normal as most public DNS servers, especially for large domains like Google, disable zone transfers as a security measure. And with that, we conclude the demonstration on DNS information gathering.